In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SEO keywords in Wix, and we're aiming to do this in just 5 minutes. This process is essential for improving your website's visibility and helping your site rank higher in search engine results. Let's get started by logging into your Wix account and navigating to your site's dashboard. This is your command center, where you have access to all the tools you need to manage your website effectively. Next, you'll want to click on Marketing in the side panel, then select SEO Setup Checklist. This checklist is a great tool that Wix provides to guide you through optimizing your site. It's an intuitive feature, especially for beginners, to ensure no critical steps are missed in setting up your site for SEO success. Now, you'll see an option to add keywords. In the designated field at the end of the Keywords section, click on the pencil icon. This will allow you to enter up to 5 key terms or phrases that best represent the content of your site. Take a moment to think carefully about these words. Consider what your audience is searching for when they hope to find a site like yours. Once you've added your keywords, don't forget to click Save to ensure your changes are registered. If you're looking to add keywords to specific pages of your site, head over to the Wix editor. From here, go to Pages and Menu. This is where you'll select the particular page you want to optimize, allowing you to tailor your keywords to match the unique content of each section of your site. After selecting the page, find More Actions next to the page title and click on SEO Basics. This step is important for refining each page's SEO configuration, providing search engines with the context they need to understand your content. You'll see fields for the title and meta description. These are crucial components of your page's SEO. The title should be concise, but include relevant keywords, and your meta description should expand on this, encouraging users to click through to your site. Now click on the Advanced SEO tab. Here, navigate to Additional Tags, and then plus Add New Tag. This section allows you greater control over your SEO tags, a vital feature for those with a slightly better grasp of SEO mechanics. Lastly, to add your keywords, you'll paste a code snippet in the provided field. Replace the placeholder text with your actual keywords. The code will look something like this. Heck. This simple line of code tells search engines exactly which keywords are important for each page, and that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to enhance your Wix site using SEO keywords. With this set,